Hi, this is Dr. Mayank. I would like to share my success story, but before I actually share the success story, I would like to thank a few people. I would like to thank Kartika, Deepa, Shruti, Ocean, Bhupati Bhaiya, and Soumya. Uh, Soumya and Shruti, they had been going through something similar, such as me. So they had reached out and offered to help in the group, and I got in touch, and their experiences they helped a lot. So basically, I'll share my experience now. Uh, I, I went through a divorce in September, end of September. My wife left me, and I was totally blindsided by her leaving me, and I was totally wreck, and nothing helped to bring her back. I was totally helpless, feeling very, no sense of direction. My work started suffering, my health started going down. I started gaining weight and everything. Then in November beginning, I found this course, and slowly steadily things started changing for me, and I've never looked back since. The morning manifestation club that Kartika, I feel that it is a very good decision of hers to offer her help to the group of 100, whatever number of people are there in the group right now. I feel the collective consciousness of everybody is bringing our vibrations to another level, and we all are benefiting from that. So I'll tell you the example, basically the exact point which I felt. Yeah, this practice of mine, 2 to 3 months, November, December, January, Feb. So roughly 3.5, 3 months it took me to come out of that depression, and from hating my partner at that time, my ex-partner at that time, from hating her, from distrusting her and talking ill about her, even using bad words about her, because I was so much in pain. My ego was so hurt from everything that I just didn't know what to do. The things were not going my way. My ego was totally out of control, and just withering with pain, and so anyways, so the mindfulness course, it helped me out to center my thoughts, to pivot my thoughts into positivity, to actually see how things are, that life is actually really great, and we don't see that, we are not grateful enough to the divine for giving us this life, the comfort that we are getting. So basically, uh, when I was in first week, I was in most pain. I called Shruti up. She gave me some tough love regarding everything, and her advice was actually that just you need to follow the course and you need to do things every day. So her guidance came right through her heart and to me, and it made sense, and I followed that and never looked back since, and it has been helping me tremendously. I've completed the life course, the 90-day challenge, and everything also. And now I think 90-day challenge is not complete. A few days are left, not counting now. So it's because it's everyday thing, so I stopped counting. And the morning manifestation club helps a lot. It needs to be done every day, and it's great that we all are waking up at 4:30, attending the 5 a.m. session. So it works for me really well. And yeah, so basically I went to Jaipur. That's where the things were there. So I was actually able to have lunch with my ex, have a good talking terms with her, hug her and tell her that everything is gonna be fine, everything is fine, it's going really well. And she told me that she found someone else, she loves someone else now, and she's moved on, she's happy. And knowing this, I was actually able to be mindful enough and control my emotions enough, and not control, they just came naturally. I just felt joy and happiness and relief for her, that she's no longer in pain, she's no longer suffering, and she has found happiness in someone else, and she's moving on. I hugged her, I blessed her, I gave her my blessing, that I bless you, I wish that you can be happy and you move on, and you definitely will be happy this time around, and yeah, God will bless you for this, in this situation that you are in, and everything is gonna be fine. We're just gonna, a few formalities are left, and everything is gonna be all the formalities, legal formalities will be done for me. So this is my success story, that I was able to control my emotions, be mindful enough, and you know, it is a big achievement for me, though it's just the beginning of the achievement that I'm gonna get in the future, that my goals are, my desires are. But slowly, slowly, I can feel I'm hitting everything one by one, just raising my consciousness, raising my, you know, energy to that level. So I thank Kartika, thank everybody in the group for the collective consciousness that we have in the group when we are discussing success stories, discussing the problems. So this is my story of a little bit of a hint of how I managed to, you know, get through my breakup and getting back on my feet. And yeah, that's about it. So thank you for being there, everyone. Peace out. Thank you.